Hi guys. Day 2 of our kids being out of school. So we're gonna talk about number 1, how not to lose your shit. Can we say shit? No, we can't say shit.
I don't know. I think when you have 5 kids home in one house all afternoon, you're entitled.
Mm-hmm. So how not to lose your, when you are a working mom, right? A working mom who is just trying to still do your job and trying to show up. And also we're going to talk about how to make non-toxic disinfecting wipes. And the reason why is because a lot of the disinfecting wipes on the market are very toxic, very, very toxic. Actually, if you look up on Environmental Working Group, EWG, and you look up Clorox wipes, you're going to see that it has a D rating because of all the chemicals. So people are so, obsessed about getting things clean right now and also killing germs, but at the same time, they're exposing themselves to a lot of toxins, especially themselves and also young children, babies, pets. So this is a way that you can make your own DIY natural and non-toxic disinfecting wipe. And Emily is a mom of 3. She also has beautiful nails. So show them those nails and put them on my face because they're beautiful. Look at those. The theme is St. Patrick's Day.
Got the sweater to match.
Got the sweater to match. And what's cool about her nails is that you can do them yourself and you don't have to go to a nail salon. So if you wanted to learn about that, Emily is your peep. And I got to do some of my nails myself. But right now we're going to talk about how to make this disinfectant. Okay, so Emily, go for it.
Okay, so what you need, paper towels.
Paper towels.
Which hopefully we all have.
Oh, by the way, I sing in the background during this. Just because we've been, as moms who work online and, we basically came together and have a co-working space while our kids play with each other. So that's a very creative way that, find a friend who also does some work and put your kids together, and you can still be there, you can still be with your kids, but you can also get work done because your kids are entertaining each other and that they're just not bothering you the whole time. So that was a way, but we've been sitting a lot on our butts because we both have online businesses. And so I'm gonna stand and sing while she makes the wipes or the disinfecting wipes. Okay, there we go. Okay.
All right, so paper towels, which we all should have in this day.
Paper towels.
Okay.
You can also use
like old burp cloths or old cloth diapering.
Or just cloth if you want to be environmental about this. Like super environmental. Okay,
all
right.
Here we go. So here we have paper towels.
Paper towels.
And I have this big stack of squares. I'm just going to cut these into thirds. I'm going to eyeball it.
Mm-hmm. Eyeball it. Eyeball it. Eyeball it. I'm a baller. Hey, 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 hey. Get your move on, girl. Better cut those.
You got this? Can you do the scissors?
Cut those scissors. Scissors are cutting the paper towel that you're gonna make your non-toxic wipes. Non-toxic wipes. Non-toxic wipes. Hey, hey, hey. They're not gonna be toxic for your body and your soul because you don't want to get germs on your body. Okay.
All right, we're gonna roll it up. All right, so we got to stack. You gotta stack it, and then you gotta roll it. We're gonna do 2 different ones here, so I'm gonna split them in half.
Roll it. Gotta roll it. Roll it. Gotta roll it, then you hold it.
If you've ever made one of those flat cakes that you then put a filling in and you roll it up.
I've never made a flat cake in my life, girl. Not like that kind of mom, yo. Not like you.
And we're just gonna put them in a jar.
Put them in that jar, girl.
So we just have a regular ball jar here.
Ball jar. Dip it.
And cutting it in a third is just the right height for the jar.
These are recycled jars. We know how to recycle, yeah. Okay.
All right, so we learned something from the first time we did this. When we just dumped vinegar in there, white vinegar. It's a really big bottle of white vinegar. And some On Guard. It was way too much vinegar.
Pause. On Guard. People may not know what it is. This is immune boosting. All about immunity. Boosting your immunity. And it kills 99.9% of germs. So it's amazing. And
it smells really good.
And actually right now, if you already have, like, you're already a doTERRA member, you're limited to one On Guard. If you're new, still won. Okay, so they put a cap on it, but this is the bomb diggity digs. I put it on my tongue, right?
Yeah.
Did you do that?
I put it in my hot water.
Okay, she puts it in the hot water. She hasn't gone.
I'm not quite that hardcore yet.
All right, here we go. Okay, go for it.
Okay, so what we did was we took some vinegar.
Yeah.
And we took about 12 drops of On Guard.
Yeah.
And we put it in this bottle here.
Yeah.
And we shook it up.
Shake it up.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Shake it, baby.
Shake it, shake it.
Don't bake it. It took your mama 9 months to make it. Bend over and show them, girl. Oh, okay. It's her husband. She's like, oh no. And the husband's like, oh no. Okay.
So we're just going to spritz, except it helps when it's turned on.
Yeah.
We're just going to spritz these until they're wet all the way through.
The first time around, we just dumped a bunch of vinegar in the bottle, and we felt like there was just too much vinegar. So now we're doing like this spritz. Yeah, just turn them over, spray them and lay them, and just get down with it. Spray, 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 spray.
And the great thing is that
and then do the robot.
You'll have all this extra left over, so you can use it as a cleaner around the house, or you can use it to make more of these.
And you can spray your friends, you can spray your husband if you think they have germs. Right?
So it's working its way down.
Yep.
They're not soaking wet like they were the first time we did this, which is good.
Right.
They're a little easier to pull apart.
And what about the On Guard cleaner that you can use for dish soap and you can use it for bathroom cleaner? Can you use it also? Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
So you could use that too. So we have another stack here.
I think you can actually put it in the vinegar as well.
Yeah.
For an extra power punch. And there's On Guard toothpaste, On Guard mouthwash. So just a great way to boost your immunity. There's even dental floss, so you can get that immunity boost like with everything you do. You can just all the time immunity boost.
They're great for sore throats too, which is one of the things to look out for right now.
Yep, sore throats. So you just keep spraying, right?
Yep.
And then just move it around. And what about this side?
Yeah, we can take it out and spray the outside. The inside's nice and wet right now.
Okay.
So just getting a little bit more around the outside so that they're not sopping wet. You still want to be able to pull them apart.
Yep, exactly. Now, would I open them like so?
You absolutely can, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, look at us making it happen while our kids are hanging. Look at that. Mom's on the job. Nothing holding us down, girl.
No.
You find your black market of moms. You make it happen for your sanity, girl. For your sanity. Yeah, okay. There we go.
And then you just store them in a glass jar.
Yep. Boom. Boom shakalaka.
Got a good lid on that. So it's that one over there.
Boom shakalaka. And then we're going to show, I don't know why this happens. Okay. And then that's it. You just stack them up. You just like jelly. Like jelly. You stack them up like jelly. All right. And then when you're ready to use it, you just take it out and it will stay nice and moist. Nice and moist. There's a lot of things I want to stay moist, nice and moist. All right. And then let's practice using it.
All right. And you want to make sure you have an airtight container so that they don't dry out.
Yeah. So rational. That's why I love Emily. She's so rational. Okay, here we go. Now, will it fall apart? No.
No.
Okay. Will it wipe stuff? Yes. Can you use it on your body?
Yes.
Yes. Would you ever use Clorox wipes on your body?
No.
No. Can you use it on your friends? Yes. Can you use it on your forehead? Yeah, it's a new style. Don't need no germs in my world. Don't need no germs in my world. So that's all, guys. It's super simple, and they don't fall apart. We were scared that they could fall apart, but these bad boys are not going to fall apart. You can actually probably get more usages out of them. You can do a double usage, maybe. Would you?
I wouldn't reuse it.
Oh, see, she's keeping me in my place. She's keeping me in my place.
I'd say you could wipe down a lot with it, but once you've wiped it down, you should dispose of it. And I know that my composting service will let us dispose paper towels. Oh,
yeah, mine too.
And it doesn't have any chemicals in it. It's just vinegar, which is fine for compost.
That's another thing. Like all that Clorox wipes, it's going into trash. It's going into actually underground, which is so bad and it's toxic for the water table. And it's toxic for plants. So it's all coming back. Like all the stuff is going to go back into the environment. So why not have something that is natural and already plant-based that kills germs? So Hopefully you learned something here. Thank you, Emily from Press to Polish. Show them those nails again. Put them on my face. Like on the face. Like it's okay. Like
it is okay because I just wiped my hands with the vinegar cloth.
Clean hands. What mama 3 has those kind of nails? Okay? That's all I'm saying. All right, guys. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.